Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Sketchman Draws. I'm Boris. Um, I can't show you this. And if you want to find out what is written there, you have to go follow my comic Instagram. You'll see the finished piece there. I'll post it soon, right after I record this video. So it's my Instagram is at comics by Boris, COMICXBYBORIS. I'm just going to ink this, and the title of this comic strip is of this cartoon or comic strip is How French People Learn English. Okay, so and actually, really, like it's pretty. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so I'm just using this. I think it's called G Pen, but. And I'm just self-taught. I'm just learning by myself how to ink with this. And I just wanted to use the natural light because it's still daytime, and I love this penciling and inking with traditionally. Although lately I've been doing more digital art. Because it's just quicker. And the ink is getting thicker and dries too quickly. Like I used to have a lot more mileage on this nib pen. So if you notice the this comic strip compared to my other ones, I'm really sorry. There's construction going on. Actually, okay, let me go here and then I could black it out. When in doubt, black it out. So far it's like tracing, right? Again, I've been reading a lot of Gary Larson cartoons. I've been looking at Gary Larson cartoons and also wanted that like really raw newspaper cartoon kind of feel. Oh, sorry, I didn't finish my thought. So I was going to say, usually I don't draw noses, but I decided to do that here because I noticed that usually French people have bigger noses. I mean, maybe it's just me, but I lived in France for like 7 years. I did my higher studies there, and I've never noticed it then. But then, like a French friend, like she told me, and then that's all I can see now. I don't even know what I'm doing. but it's as long as I'm creating, putting stuff out there, I'm happy. Don't you love that sound? So also I generally put do these comic strip want the panels in square shaped. Um, so I don't know how I'm going to fit this, but we'll see. And also because um, I can correct things digitally afterwards. This is supposed to be a woman, by the way. I'm failing at that miserably. Can you tell? What the heck, right? Again, this is why I love cartoons comics, because like you just have an idea and just um, just go crazy. As long as it's you're able to. So it's always better to put too much than too little, like too much and then crop, than too little and. So, for example, if I draw digitally, I mean, some of the missing line art, it will look out of place, and I'm trying to avoid that. But otherwise, like, yeah, I've been pretty in normal YouTuber term, pretty lazy. I haven't been consistent in posting videos, and because I was busy moving, but also, I don't know, I have a lot of ideas, but it's just sometimes I have to wait for the right moment to uh, and this guy's shape, this is the first thing I drew when I started, and then I just worked out the rest. There was no sketching phase or like thumbnailing phase and stuff. Oh, I'm just getting to okay, let me lift that. Okay, that's my table lamp. casting a shadow. Um, yeah, let me correct. Or before that, let me. And I know, like, you. So if you go check out my Instagram, you'll see in the comic strips. Sometimes I do everything digitally and then put the bubble. I use Clip Studio Paint, and so when everything is digital, yeah, it kind of fits together. But yeah, when it's traditional and digital, and the lettering, I'm sure it looks bad. It doesn't fit, right? And I was also thinking, like, this method of like dipping the ink. I mean, um, as cumbersome, is that the right word, or as annoying it can seem. First of all, I like the feel of it. I like the sound and the feeling of it. Um, but also, isn't it like the most environmentally friendly way to ink? Like, because if I buy pen, I mean, I buy brush pens. When they run out, like, I'm supposed to refill the ink, but I don't. Um, but if I do this, I can just buy a new bottle, right? Like ink bottle, and just keep going. Something to think about. Of course. Sorry, the camera cut off there for a moment because the storage was full. Let me see. Okay, so that's the brush pen. Because I blacked this out, I have to make it black everywhere, all the chairs. This is how you fix a mistake. There you go. I can do some shading. Let me take some pigment liner, 0.0005, 0.05. Let's just say the light is coming from above, because in classrooms that's usually the case. So I put one value, right? But I want to like give some checkers to that guy, and just for fun, give some texture. And this guy, I can like black him out completely, and her. So for him, yeah, show the cast shadow. Oh, I don't know why I gave him that kind of ass there, but just looks funny. Okay, let me erase. Hopefully it will not smudge. So yeah, thank you for watching a guy just um, talking and inking a cartoon. Go check out my other videos. If you have any suggestions for topics I can talk about, please let me know in the comment section. And I'm losing the natural light, so I'm going to finish this up on Clip Studio Paint, put some color, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. This is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.